Your OnRobot Gripper is used for grasping objects to pick them up, hold them in place, and put them down. In this video, we'll cover how to install and configure it. First, you'll need to connect the OnRobot Quick Connect component to the Canova end effector. Then, securely attach the gripper and connect the gripper cable to wrist connector A. Now it's time to configure the plugin using the controller. Default configuration should allow for instantaneous use of your OnRobot Gripper. Your OnRobot Gripper is ready when you see a green LED. Although the default configuration should be operational for most applications, you may wish to adjust settings, such as the gripper's IP address. Go to the plugin page. Stop the plugin to edit its configuration. Don't forget to start the plugin again to use your gripper. Finally, users can enter a fingertip offset measurement in tenths of a millimeter. This is the distance from the inside of the gripper's aluminum fingertip to a reference point on the fingertip. To use the gripper in a program, a number of plugin tiles are available on the Programs page of the selected program. The Close tile closes the fingers until a maximum force is applied, which stops the motion. The Move tile moves the fingers to a specified position unless a maximum force is applied and the fingers stop. The Open tile opens the fingers completely unless a maximum force is applied. The Reset tile is used to initialize the gripper. This tile can be used when the gripper is not responding. It will power cycle both M8 connectors. Lastly, don't forget to add your OnRobot Gripper in the Tool Manager. To learn more, review our software configuration video.